All right, boys and girls, welcome back. Welcome back. We are at our reading table and we're going to start off with our words to know. Our first word to know is do. A dog can do lots of tricks. And our second word is down. We sit down to paint. So let's do a little chant today on our words to know to try to help us remember them. So I'll say the words and you'll repeat them. And I'll say, give me a D. Give me an O. What's that spell? Do. Good job. Give me a D. Give me an O. Give me a W. Give me an N. What's that spell? Down. Good job, boys and girls. Alrighty, we're moving on to our letter for the lesson, and that's the letter U. Umbrella helps us to remember that the U has the sound. And we hear the sound in words like up and umbrella, of course. And that's when the sound is in the beginning of the word. But we also hear the sound in the middle of a word, such as dug. The dog dug in the dirt. And the word nut. Nut. We hear the U sound in the middle of those words. So that's our letter U. And today you're going to be working with words that have the letter U on page 73 in your Journeys book. So make sure you get that done today. Alrighty, it is time for us to do our blending or substituting actually. And what we're going to do today, a little bit different, is I'm going to change the last sound. Again, we're working with the changing the last sound. So I'm going to tell you a word, and then I'm going to tell you the letter we're going to change it to, and then you're going to pick the right picture. Alrighty, so our first word is head. Head. If I change the D in head to N, I now have, if you said hen, you are correct. Head, hen. Very good, boys and girls. Our next word, if I change, the word is sit. Sit. If I change the T to x, what word do I have? If you said six, you are correct. Correct. Six. Six. Next word. Bus is the word. Bus. If I change the S to G, what word do I have now? That's right. If you said bug, that is correct. Bug. Last but not least, if I change hat, I'm sorry, has, if I change the z sound to a t sound, I have hat, which is what we have right here. All right, boys and girls, great job. Great changing the last sound of the word. And we're going to slide over here. Here is where we're looking at our antonyms. We did antonyms before, we actually did this sheet before. Antonyms are the opposite. So we see here we have cold. The opposite of cold is hot. We have fast. The opposite of fast is slow. We have happy, and the opposite of happy is sad. We have dark, and the opposite of dark is light. And we have big, and the opposite of big is little. So those are antonyms. We know antonyms are words that are opposite, and that's all there is to it. Tomorrow we'll do another review on our singular and plural nouns. And at this time, you're going to go do your page 73 in your Journeys book. Take a break with Miss LeBerth. And then you're going to come back and you're going to listen to Something Special story. So what's different now is I don't even have my teacher's book. So I can't read the story to you at all because I don't have any way of accessing it to read it to you. So you'll listen to the story again on YouTube, and then you'll answer the questions on your Google form that is in your classroom. All right, boys and girls? Alrighty, and the parents, once again, we're still working on the literacy project. We're trying to make it as less painful as possible. So with that, I'm not going to do any writing because the literacy project will take up for the writing. All right, everyone, have a great day.